Are we even moving here?
Hi, Joyce.
Hello. What are you doing over there?
Express Line. What are the benefits of being a gold sponsor? That and the gift bags.
Hi, Joyce. I'm with Crystal. We got gift bags.
Yes, I saw the... Oh.
Hey, look who it is. We'll see inside.
How come we're not in that line? You're lucky you're here at all.
You know, the more I think about it, the more I realize I can't do this.
Just take deep breaths. Focus your thoughts on a happy thing, a squirrel eating a cupcake.
No, I mean, I don't have the tickets.
What? Where are they?
Even if I wanted to go to the awards, I couldn't because I, can't find my tickets.
You threw them off your balcony? Why would you do that?
Well, I don't know. All I can think about now are squirrels and cupcakes.
Well, we never find them now. I mean, they could be anywhere.
I can't believe they just fell out of the sky. To good fortune.
This is our table? I thought we'd be a little closer to the...
Hi, Joyce! Sponsors table. Kind of close to the stage, though. Hope I don't get a sore neck.
So where's your political sadist guy?
Right over there. Prepare to see some top-notch schmoozing. Hi. I'm Joyce Haddison, Haddison House Publishing.
Hi, Colin Hopkirk.
Oh, I know who you are. I've read everything you've ever written. You're very talented.
Well, I'm no Michael Winthrop.
Michael Winthrop's work is mindless drivel compared to yours.
This is my friend, Michael Winthrop.
Of course. Oh, I think I see someone.
Oh, wow, fancy schmancy.
Okay, just FYI, people at these tables don't say fancy schmancy.
And so I said to the deckhand, the next time we sail around the globe, let's bring more Chardonnay.
I don't know what to say to these people.
It's fun. Just make something up. Chardonnay sure can calm the nerves when you're hunting tigers in Bali. Never been to Bali.
Hello.
Tickets?
How you doing today? Do you do a lot of this kind of thing?
Tickets?
Well, here's the thing about that. We don't actually have tickets. I mean, we have tickets. We just don't have some vis-a-vis with us.
Well, no tickets, no entry.
Okay, I don't usually like to pull the old get a load who I am card, but, you know the Grumpaloos?
Yeah, my kids love them.
I created them. I'm Millie Upton. So that being that.
No tickets, no entry.
Oh, hey, there's Joyce. Joyce!
Hey, Joyce, can you help us out? We lost your tickets and Lurch here won't let us in.
Well, I can assure you that these two have tickets. I bought them myself.
Sorry, no tickets, no entry.
Hey, guys. What's up?
They can't get in because they don't have their tickets, and this guy's being impossible.
It's okay, Smitty. They're cool.
Of course, Miss Braywood. Come on in. Enjoy the show.
Welcome to the 25th Annual Canadian Literary Awards for Publishers and Authors.
Oh, well, if it isn't Millie Upton.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Bambi. Nice to see you.
You've been nominated again. Good for you.
Listen to that smug, snotty tone.
Maybe she's trying to be genuine. It just comes across snotty.
What, it must be 4 or 5 times now you've almost won an award.
Nope. She's a skag.
Oh, I'm sorry, what was that?
Oh, I was just telling him you're a skag.
Well, I am a skag with an acceptance speech ready to go.
Oh, yeah. Will you get that speech all practiced up there, Bambi?
I will.
This is gonna be so sweet.
I'm gonna lose this guy. Okay, give me some tips.
When the student is ready, the teacher appears. All right, CQI.
CQI, what's that?
Compliment, question, introduction. I love your tie. Is this seat taken? I'm Joyce, by the way. And always have a drink with you in case you have to bail. Would you excuse me? I just have to freshen up my drink.
I can do that.
Schmooze on, young Padawan.
CQI. CQI. Hello.
Oh.
I love this carpet. Is that your tie? Joyce is what they call me.
I'm sorry.
Need more.
Anyway, so it took me just over 3 hours to water the azaleas. And I was so tired that I had to cancel my plans to go jet skiing.
With Bill Gates. You know Bill Gates?
Sure. Me and Billy are tight.
Mr. Hawkirk, are you leaving?
No, I was just getting something out of my coat.
Listen, I think you are an exceptional man, and the truth is, I have been after you for quite some time, and...
The nominees for the Clappa Children's Book of the Year are Professor Perfect by Jamie Davis, Mushy Mushroom Finds a Feather by Bambi Weeks, and The Grumpaloo Safari by Millie Upton.
I cannot wait to see the look on Bambi Reek's face when they announce my name.
Reeks? I thought you said her name was Weeks. Oh, no, you're making fun.
And the winner is...
Look at her. So cocky. She has no idea.
Bambi Weeks.
How embarrassing. She's hugging people already.
It's because she won.
What?